Hi! Welcome to Norah's Cooking Diary Season 4 Episode 1. In this video, I'm going to share with you a honey chicken recipe. Deep-fried tender and succulent chicken pieces coated with a sticky, sweet and tangy sauce is such a simple and yet delicious dish that will quickly become your favorite. Honey chicken is one of the many Chinese dishes that has become extremely popular and is well loved by many. This dish doesn't require hard-to-find ingredients. It is highly likely that all the ingredients that you need are already in your pantry. Keep watching and I will share with you how I cook this honey chicken recipe. If you like this video, please press the like button to give the video a thumbs up. Please also consider subscribing if you haven't already. And don't forget to check out my cooking tips in the description below. Happy cooking!